You think this is a lift or tick, or a knock in the dark of my mind? Red eye on the dash last night, low pressure, high panic, I'm blind. Is it the pop or the whole damn heart? Do I tear it all down, start again? Every rattle sounds like the end, every mile feels like a sad. Is it a lift or tick, or a knock? Is my heart about to lock? Oil light burning like a warning shot. Tell me if I'm saved or not. Topped off but I'm still scared to roll. Do I change the pump or change my soul? Lift or tick or a knock, I can't stop till I know what's killing this soul. Hey. You say you checked it, yeah it's topped off, but I still hear steel in my sleep. Any metal in the pan, any shards in the plan, I'm afraid of what I'll find in the deep. Do I stay stuck, safe and small, or step up, bigger burn in my veins? 6.2 dreams, a 7.3 rage, either way I'm tearing out these chains. That's definitely not a lift or tick, it's the sound of something sick, cranking can my fear and faith.